All right, so if you don't have any internet, that's okay. You'll still be able to access a lot of the Google Docs that you access most often. What you need to do is you need to enable online or offline editing. And so to do that, you go to the three little lines that are always to the top left. So on Google Slides, oops, on Google Slides, you'll see it over here. In Docs, you'll see it over here. It doesn't really matter where you go, as long as you click one of those three lines and then go down to Settings. And then this is the magic part. On offline, you have to click to enable offline editing. It'll say something along the lines of thinking about it, setting it up, and that might take a little bit. And when that's done, then as long as you, even if the internet connection goes, you're still able to edit your documents and access them, and they'll be synced back up to the cloud once internet connection is restored.